back to another video. And of course my battery's about to die. I forgot to charge it. I will be swapping out the battery soon, so not to worry. This week, working on the CRV. I gotta wash it because it's filthy. It's a long weekend, going out with the family and everything, but I'm gonna be installing some quick installs right now. Basically going to be installing the window visors. I had some leftover Speed Factory fender washer kit, the titanium ones, so I'll be putting these on the CRV, and I'm going to be using the Dread Cartel Garage 16 edition oil cap on the CRV. We're going to be using it on the CRV because it's extra stuff. I was waiting for the valve cover to come back from Fia. It's not quite done yet. You guys are going to like it. Nothing crazy, but it's going to be beautiful. It's going to suit the CRV well. So till then, I'll still rock it on the silver valve cover. So just spruce up things, so to speak. I got the EL running. I'm going to be moving it, bringing the CRV. I don't know if I'll time lapse it. Probably won't time lapse it. Make this video short, I guess. Pretty sure you guys don't want to watch me clean the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap them out, wash the CRV because it's filthy from work and everything, and it's been just raining and been shitty for a while now, this whole week. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Spruce up the CRV a bit, give it some more love. Spooniest one, as you guys can see. Those fenders, we got the spoon decal on it. David helped me out lining it up good last night. We were just chilling and vibing here in the garage. So yeah, that's this vlog's thing, is just small little install, the visors, see how they come out, and little miscellaneous things. The Mugen sock, I forgot to mention, that was extra from when I had bought for the Mugen EL, so it's an extra sock I'm going to put over the brake reservoir. So yeah, that's it. Enough talking. I'm going to wash the car, and then we'll get to the visors and all the other small stuff.
15 minutes later.
Alright guys, I'm done washing the CRV. I already cleaned the windows so we can get started with this. I'm going to show you guys you know, how I do it. Pretty much do a dry run, lining it up. As you guys can see, it goes with the curvature of the door. Oh, bring that down a slut. And yeah, that's how it goes. You line up that with the molding piece, and you slap it on. So I'm going to put you guys down and get it recording while I set this whole thing up. Fine. Alright guys, so I wasn't too sure if I wanted to go through the full part of the door, like as you guys can see, or just line it up as good as I could like this, where you catch a bit of the door but you're in line perfectly with everything, so you guys can see. So that's one down. Now to get 3 more done, so sit tight. Alright boys, this one side's done. Try to line it up as best as I can with the other one. Let me get this out of the way. But yeah, looks nice. It's like a sleek look, these ones. Big shout out to the plug Garage 16 for hooking us up with them, as always. The parts plug. But yeah, I love window visors. They just give the car a little extra something. A little extra something. Man, Ashley's in like full Halloween mode. She's got like decorations like a hanging body, spiders. Just getting crazy with the Halloween. It's her favorite time of the year. Got my little buddy over here. What are you doing, Caleb? Riding a scooter? Shy?
The bee stung me in the back.
The bee stung you in the back? Are you making that up?
No, when I tried spinning around.
Yeah. You want to show everybody how fast your scooter is? Okay, let's go. Let's go see how fast your scooter is so that Daddy can do the other side. Let's go. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go! Joys of being a kid. Joys of being a kid. Okay, come back, buddy. All right, guys, I'm gonna do the second one. Well, second side. Get this done. I still gotta just rapidly detail the CRV so we could go eat some turkey. But yeah, it's looking fantastic. Now we're just gonna do that side. And all right, guys, that's pretty much it for those visors. I may have put the back one on the side a smidge higher, right? Not that bad though. But yeah, guys, what do you think so far? It gives it a look. Caleb, what do you think of the visors?
Good.
You like them? Yeah, I like them too. They're pretty flush. They look nice. At least now when it rains, we can open the window. Or when it snows, because, you know, winter time is coming. So yeah.
Then you can't, like, destroy the windows.
Destroy the windows. But yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Smaller video, visor install, so you guys can see how the V looks with the visors. I like them. It's a clean look. Big fan of the visors on all my cars, so that's why we always do them. But yeah, very nice touch. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the car and then get ready to go eat some turkey. From me to you guys, I hope you guys all have a fucking great Thanksgiving whenever this video comes out. And if it comes out in November, then I hope my American friends have an awesome Thanksgiving. So, like, comment, subscribe. Guys, make sure you guys smash that like. Hit that subscribe, help the channel. Right, guys? What do you tell them? Like, comment, subscribe, Caleb? Right? They should subscribe to Daddy's channel. Alright, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Just send it.